Hi, my mathematicians. We have been learning a lot about shapes, 2D and 3D shapes, and all the names and all the ways to describe those shapes. So today we're going to look at our 2D shapes and we're going to describe them by their attributes. And their attributes are things about them that help us learn what shape it is. For example, we're going to decide how many sides does the shape have? How many lines does it have? Does it have curves? And this is a big word. Does it have points or corners or vertices? Vertices is another word for a point or a corner. So let's take our first shape. What shape is that? I heard you say circle, and that's right. A circle has one side, and is that side curved or is it a line? It's one big curve. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take Mrs. Nichols' pen. Oh, there it is on my lap. And we're going to fill out this chart together. So how many sides does a circle have? Just one. It has one side. How many lines does a circle have? 0, because it has a curve, remember? So it has 0 lines. How many curves does it have? Does it have curves? Oh yeah, it does. It has a curve, so I'm going to write the word yes. And boys and girls, does a circle have any vertices? Do you see any points or corners? Nope, that's how I know it's a circle. So no vertices. So those are attributes about a circle that tell us and define what a circle is. Let's look at the next shape. What shape do you see? It's a triangle. Good job. Now, does a triangle have sides? Oh, yeah. How many? 1, 2, 3. So a triangle has 3 sides. Does a triangle have any curves? 0 curves. Oh, I put it in the wrong spot. Does a triangle have any lines? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 lines. We already decided it has 0 curves. Mrs. Nichols wrote that in the wrong spot. Does it have any vertices or corners? 1, 2, 3. It does have 3 corners, so I'm going to write the number 3. Let's look at our next shape. Ooh. Remember the name of this one? It's got 2 long and 2 short sides. It's a rectangle. Good job. So rectangle, how many sides does it have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, it has 4 sides. How many lines does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has the same number of lines as sides. How many curves does it have? Does it have a curve? No, no curves, so 0 curves. And how many vertices does it have? Remember, those are the points. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices, so that tells me it's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. And now my last shape. Ooh, let's look at this one. Looks a lot like a rectangle. It's just smaller because it doesn't have 2 long sides. It has 4 sides that are the same, and it's a square. Good job. Square. How many sides does it have? You just remember me counting. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. How many lines does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Does it have any curves? Nope, 0 curves. And does it have any vertices? Let's count the points or the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. So boys and girls, our chart tells us about the attributes of a circle, a triangle, a rectangle, and a square. And attributes are what we use to describe things. So look for some shapes in your environment and see if you can describe them to someone and they can guess what you're looking at. Have fun. Bye-bye.